I'm here now at this beautiful maritime hotel at Frankfurt, Germany, and we're about to go to Singapore Airlines to get a connecting link going to Melbourne, Australia, Malaysia, or Manila, Philippines. So I'll show you this beautiful hotel, maritime hotel, and here is the lift, and that's the beautiful reception or conference, and beautiful restaurant where we eat our breakfast and lunch and dinner. And they're closed now because they serve early morning from 6 a.m. until 10:30 a.m. So as you can see, it's beautiful and lovely. People are getting ready because most of us will get one bus going to Frankfurt Airport Terminal 1 here at Germany. And this is that beautiful place. As you can see, all walks of life are going back home. Especially that my friend
Home sweet home.
from Australia,
Home sweet home.
home sweet home. We're ready to go back home. First to Singapore, then to different links that my co-passengers will get from Singapore, going to Malaysia, Melbourne, Australia, or Manila, Philippines. And this is their business center of Maritime Hotel. So I will lead you now to our bus. This is the front of the hotel, background of the hotel. Yeah. The people waiting to go back home. And this is the bus that we're going to take to Terminal 1. Frankfurt Airport, Germany. Again, many thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. And I pray that and hope you will subscribe and like it. It's at Simon Felix. That's my YouTube channel. I thank again, many thanks. And thank you for subscribing. And I will guide you now on the other side of the hotel. So these are all my beautiful colleagues, my co-passengers,
Yes, sir.
going back home from Singapore Airlines to Manila. God bless. And do not forget to subscribe, likes, and visit my YouTube channel at Simon Felix. Again, many thanks and God bless. See you soon. And bye for now.